Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with an Emini Trading Room recap for Friday the 17th of October. And today was another great day in the markets. Today we had 6 trades, which is definitely a little much for us, but we pulled out 17.5 points. When the market's going in your favor, you can definitely put your foot on the gas and, see what happens. Even if you're up 10 points and you have a loss, you're still ahead. You're still making money. So that's kind of the theory there. You don't want to go all out. I'm up really big, so let me take a huge amount of risk. That's not the theory. The theory is you're allowed to take more trades if the trades you're taking is working. Obviously, the market and you are in sync. Therefore, it should be okay. A lot of people do go wrong with that. They're like, well, I'm up big, let me take a little bit more risks than I normally would take just because I can afford it. And that's really not the correct way to think. That's one thing I do work with a lot of coaching clients on, because that's something that's very, very, very important to overcome if you want to become a professional trader. So anyway, wanted to talk about that a little bit. Let's get in with what we did on the day. We watched the market for the first 20 or so minutes just to see what was actually playing out. The market shot up here. We took a short up here, and we ended up taking profit on the way down right over in this region. We did get long down here, and we were able to hold out quite a bit. We did take profits up here. From there, kind of watch things a little bit, see what was actually playing out. Market did shoot up again, and we took that as a shorting opportunity. So we did take profits on move down. We shorted again over here. We took profits on the move down. And then we kind of watched things, seeing what was going to play out. We got long over here, and we were able to take profits. The market did come back down, but then it actually started going higher. And it is what it is. I always say, you don't have to be in every single trade, and that's actually my style. I don't care if I'm in a trade, if I'm not in a trade, if I miss a trade. It's okay to me, because it's all relative. Today is, today's Friday, but today is one day of trading. Next week, Monday, Friday's past. It doesn't matter what happened today, which, obviously on Monday it'll be, what happened last Friday, depending on, the perspective you want to take here. But anyway, you don't have to be in every single trade. You can take a couple trades, have a nice day, you can relax. If you get set up, great. If not, it is what it is. I think right here we were looking at trying to get in a little bit lower, after we took profits, after it came back down. It never did come lower, and then it started going up, and I'm okay with that. It is what it is. I don't chase trades. That's not my style. That's, nothing I've ever done. I don't chase trades. I mean, obviously when I was a new trader, first starting out, first month in the market, I made a lot of haphazard trades. I'm sure a lot of new traders do that as well. And that's why I say, we were all once new traders. We all had questions. Some people might see them as rudimentary, but that's how we learn. We ask questions. That's how we learn. But I was there. I was a new trader, long time ago. I made stupid trades. Back then, obviously they weren't stupid, but now I can look back and say, well, I made so many mistakes, but I can also say I've learned from all of those mistakes, and that's really important to me, as a person. I think it's important to learn from our mistakes, and it's something that a lot of organizations do not do, is learn from history, learn from the past. And that's another subject for a a much longer conversation for another time, not in the videos that I record. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. It made a little bit of sense to you. You can always leave comments below the video. There's no such thing as a dumb question. I totally believe that. You know, that's, like I said, that's how we learn as people, is asking questions. You know, that's how we learn our entire lives. You know, as babies, that's how we learn. You know, maybe we can't talk, but we're asking questions anyway. You know, let me taste this toy. You know, you're asking a question, but you can't verbalize it. You know, you're trying to figure out the world. You know, and that's how we do. Sometimes we lose sight of that. You know, but that's what we do as people. So anyway, hopefully it made some sense to you. You can also email me if you would like, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.